Good afternoon, all of you. We know we started the 9th chapter. The chapter's name is Matter and its States. You know, any matters has three states. Not all the matter has three states, but three states we can find: liquid, solid, and gas. How the molecules is present in solid substance, how present in liquid, and how present in gas, and the intermolecular force and the intermolecular space. What is the intermolecular space and intermolecular force? This already I told you in the class, but today I elaborate you change in the states of a matter. That means the matter's state change. Just now I have told you a matter has three states: solid, liquid, and gas. So solid change into liquid and liquid change into gas, and the vice versa. That means the gas change into liquid and liquid change into solid. How it is happening, how it is formed, and how then the molecules is changing its states, and the process name, every changing process name I also tell you now. So everyone listen carefully. And you know, now our school timing has decreased for the temperature, so we have to do the class in virtually. Okay, so now come to the point. First I am coming the solid. First, that example comes in our mind, in our brain, that is ice. So ice change into water when I give heat, or normal temperature you keep the ice sometime, you can see the ice is melting, and ice, after melting, ice is changed into water. And what is the process name? The process is called melting. And the opposite process, that means when the liquid change into solid, that is called freezing. Okay, that means when the water we keep in the deep freeze, it's formed ice, this process is called freezing. Okay, now we are coming when the water change into water vapor. You can see when your mothers cook in any utensils that's cover the water pot or anything, when how the water level of pond or river is decreasing in the summer season. Why? Because that is also same reason. The scorching heat, scorching sunlight, this absorb the water. That means for the water vapor, the water layer of the pond or any water source is decreasing. Okay, so water vapor, how you can see? Water vapor you can see when your mother cooks any utensil that's covered the water spot, the small very little tiny waters, tiny water drops you can see, that is actually water vapor. Okay, so when the water change into water vapor, that is called evaporation, that already you read in the previous class. Okay, so what is evaporation and what is melting, what is freezing, I have told. One process is left, that is condensation. So what is condensation? Conversion of a gas into liquid is called condensation. Okay, that means the condensation is the opposite pathway of the evaporation. In evaporation, liquid change into gas, but condensation, the gas change into liquid. Okay, so four process I am telling here. First melting, then freezing, then evaporation, and then condensation. What is melting? When a solid change into liquid, that is called melting. Opposite pathway is called freezing. That means when the liquid change into solid. Okay, that is called freezing. And when the water change into water vapor, that means when the liquid change into gas, that is called evaporation. And when the opposite pathway is happening, that is called condensation. That means when the gas change into liquid, that is called condensation. Okay, so that is the main part that was left. So only one part is remaining, that is solution, that I will tell you in the classroom, in the live class. The other thing, keyword, time to revise, that you read at home, and your exercise, fill in the blanks. That means 2, 3, 4 and 5 number, that is your homework. Again I am telling 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is your homework. And After complete solution, 1 number question answer I will do. Okay, so today your class up to this. Thank you everyone.